75%. So this is the product. So I'm just gonna put 3 drops on every side of my face, and then gonna rub it. OMG guys, it really feels so soft, and it's my first time to use it. So actually on the box the direction says that apply once per day, and the ideal time is in the night or in the PM. Yeah. And 3 drops again on the other side, and rub it again and massage. So the product can be diluted with other treatments to reduce strength until skin develops tolerance. Take note, do not use on sensitive skin. Okay, massage your face. And there you go. My face feels so great. It's so soft. I like the product. So this is the product that I used. And it's made in Canada. Thank you for watching. Until on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.